Warning, this video contains some mistakes that were made while filming. Do not attempt to make the same ones I made and try to follow the right steps into fixing your model.
Hey guys, it's CamJPDX. Now, do you have the Plarail Streamlined Thompson Shooting Star Gordon? I do. There goes Streamlined Thomas, and here's Shooting Star Gordon. Now, the reason why he's unscrewed is because of this! You see, when my Plarail Shooting Star Gordon fell out of the box and he fell onto the floor and broke his coupling. Here are the remains of it. I don't know how this thing is put together, but I'm gonna try to fix it as best as I can. I'm gonna have to take it apart so I can get there. Okay. Now, if I make any mistakes, you make fun of me if you'd like, but this video might become helpful if the same thing happens to your Plarail Shooting Star Gordon or Streamlined Thomas. They do share the same chassis. I hope you're seeing this because I'm not looking at the camera. I'm looking at at what I'm doing. So I hope you can see this. Okay, Okay, I'll leave those over there. Okay, let's see if I can get this thick top part off. Oh, I could have just taken nose screws. Yeah. Well, I might as well put these parts back together and then unscrew that. I'll be right back. Okay, I got all the screws back into place, so don't take these screws out. But if the coupling is broken, just unscrew from back here. Okay, let's see. Get this other one out. Okay, I feel some looseness coming out. Ah, there we go. Okay, so I guess, so now this broken coupling is out. I can try to find a new coupling. Okay, I found a temporary coupling. This actually comes from my customized or super detailed Rebecca, but it will do. Okay, so now we put it back together. Okay, and this other one. And there we go. That's better. Now, okay, so he still works. So now I guess that's how you fix the coupling in your Plarail Streamlined Thomas and Shooting Star Gordon. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, and check out my DeviantArt, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!